Prepare a small knife or a pair of scissors. Cut the fixing rope of the outer packaging. Cut the transparent tape. Take out the accessory kit.
Display of contents in the accessory kit.
1. Charger. 2. Bicycle user manual. 3. Fender mounting screws and tools. 4. Tool bag. 5. Hex key tool. 6. Number 15 wrench for pedals. 7. Number 10 wrench for lights.
8. Slotted and Phillips screwdrivers. 9. Bicycle pedals. 10. Bicycle bell. 11. Front wheel axle. 12. Rear brake light. 13. Front brake light. 14. Front headlight. 15. 3-in-1 hex key tool. Remove the fixed protective straps from the bike frame.
Cut off the fixed zip ties. Take out the seat post. Open the seat clamp, then insert the seat post into the frame.
Tighten the seat post clamp. Peel the protective film from the bike frame.
Handlebar installation. Note: please first rotate the handlebar 180 degrees. This is very important.
Insert the handlebar stem into the bike's head tube. Tighten the head tube clamp. Rotate the handlebar until it's parallel with the bike.
Lift the handlebar 90 degrees and fasten the automatic locking lever. Adjust the handlebar to a suitable angle and lock it in place. Adjust the display screen to a suitable angle.
Install the front wheel. Remove the screws from the front fork fixing rod. Lift the front fork and remove the fixing rod. Take out the front wheel axle, then remove the screw and all washers from one end. When installing, first place the metal washer onto the axle. Pass the axle through the front fork hole. Then place the thin black pad onto the axle. Lift the bike's front fork. Install the wheel and insert the axle. Place the thick black pad at the center of the axle and fully insert the axle. Place the silver washer onto the axle and screw on the bolt.
Use a 15mm open-end wrench to fully tighten the axle. Install the fenders and the headlight. Remove the headlight fixing screws. Place the fender in the installation position. Install the headlight and fender. Tighten the fixing screw. Remove the fender screws with the 3-in-1 tool. Install the fender and tighten the fixing screws.
Connect to the power supply for the lights. Install the pedals.
Pay attention to distinguishing between left and right pedals. Install according to the markings on the pedals.
Tighten the right pedal by turning it counterclockwise.
Power on, and you're ready to ride.
Warm reminder. 1. Check the brake system. While squeezing the brakes, push the bicycle forward. If the bike stops promptly, the brakes are working properly. 2. Test the shifting system. Lower the kickstand to lift the rear wheel off the ground. Simultaneously press the shift levers and rotate the pedals clockwise. Check that each gear shifts smoothly from the smallest to the largest. If the shifts are smooth, the shifting system is in good condition. 3. Test the electronic control system. Check that the battery is installed correctly. Press and hold the power button to see if the display turns on. With the rear wheel still off the ground, rotate the pedals clockwise to see if the motor engages for assistance. If you hear the motor running, the electronic control system is working correctly. After completing all these checks, you're ready to start your enjoyable ride. Ride safe.